and now I only have 30 minutes to take a shower and get ready. I need to wash my hair as well. By the way, I keep this little thing, so I keep this little thing to clean this sink from the water. Do you usually do that, or am I the only one? Because I hate the water on top of it, so I do that all the time. We're done, 15 minutes left. I am freaking out because we really need to leave in 15 minutes. So, oh, I forgot this. So the first product I'm using is from Too Faced. It's the Hangover 3-in-1 primer and setting spray. Usually on everyday basis I don't put a lot of makeup. I don't like when my face feels really heavy from the makeup, so I try to do it as light as possible. Of course, whenever I have the imperfections, I just put my this little thing. It's from where is it from? It's Maybelline, and I use this concealer, which is really, really nice. Then I have to use some powder, and I got this one from Dior. This is what it looks like. I never really buy the new compact itself. I usually just get the refills all the time, because I feel like, first of all, it's a waste of the compact that you already have, and second of all, it's cheaper to just get a refill. I mean, this compact is probably about 3 years old, which is good, and I still keep it in this little dust bag thing to protect it. So that's done. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I don't really try hard on my eyebrows either, because I feel like they look pretty good. And now I'll use some of this Guerlain terracotta thing. I use it as a... I forgot all the words. I really, really love it. It's really, really nice. And a little bit of on my nose, on the forehead. I don't use any blush. I don't even have any blush. No, I actually do have in here. This was a gift from my friend. It's from Givenchy, and then you open it and it has so it basically has this powder and the blush, and then next there is this eyeshadow palette, which I love. The colors are so beautiful. And on the last one, it's the eyeliner, mascara, and some lip gloss. but I never use the blush. And lastly, I'm gonna use a little bit of the mascara. I use this one, it's from Benefit, and it's really good. I love it. Also, I am starving from the morning and I really need to eat something before I go, so I'll probably make a toast with hummus. I love that, and if I have time, yeah, I really want to have one, and some coffee as well. How much time do you usually spend on your makeup? Because I know some people can spend hours doing their makeup, and I just don't understand them. And I'm gonna finish it up with this setting spray, the same one. It smells really nice. Okay, so my makeup is all done. It's pretty simple and very quick. Good news, my husband is running a little bit late, so I have another 15 minutes to get ready, and I'm actually dressed now. It's quite chilly outside today, so I'll be wearing a sweater on top of the t-shirt, but I'm gonna go get something to eat and then dry my hair, because I like it to get dry a little bit by itself first. Yeah, so I'll do that, and then I use the blow dryer. So yes, dishes are a part of my morning routine because I just feel so tired and lazy to do them at night. I don't have any energy, so I prefer doing the dishes in the morning. And I'm just gonna prepare some toast so I can have some breakfast. Now so obsessed with this hummus. I love it. It is so good. So I'm gonna have my toast with it, and I'm gonna need some milk. Today I'll just get a regular milk. On my iPhone today because my camera, like both batteries, are completely dead. I don't know why. The other one was supposed to have to be fully charged, but apparently it wasn't. So I'm filming everything on my new iPhone, and it's 4 freaking K. Even the front camera I'm filming with now. So I mean, do we really need some expensive equipment to film good quality videos on YouTube? Absolutely not. Your iPhone is pretty plenty. Can you hear that? My husband. So I'll only have time for one toast. The other one will have to wait. This is the perfume I usually use. Why is the flash on? Okay, anyway. But today I think I'll use this one again. This was a tester gifted to me at the store. It's the new perfume from Loewe. It's called Solo and it smells so nice. Once this is done, I think I'm gonna go and get the actual perfume. And these are some of my most favorite ones. The Coco Noir, some of the perfumes from Montal, and this one is my all-time favorite. It's the Alien from Terry Mugler. So yes, these are my top favorite perfumes.
His music is saying you to the audience, but in a really beautiful way. It's like, you, I love you. Now let me play you some beautiful music, you know? So there's this feeling like they're gonna do whatever they want and assert their own will and not worry about how it's being understood or whatever. Yet the wonderful thing about that is that it speaks to people.
So I dropped my husband off at the embassy. He's applying for UK visa and hopefully we'll be able to go there together more often because it's so close to Geneva. It's about an hour and a half flight and the flight rates are super cheap, and I don't know, I just like London so much, and since I don't need visa, I wish I could go there every other day, but because my husband doesn't, it's kind of a little bit of a problem. I don't want to travel without him and he doesn't want me to travel without him. So yes, he's applying for a visa right now and I'll just wait for him. It's actually right in the center of Geneva and there is a drugstore boutique, so maybe I should go there and look around while I'm waiting for him. Anyway, there is nothing really to do, but we can go and do some window shopping because it's right there outside. And after this we'll go to the garage for my car because yesterday I was supposed to do the update. I wanted to do the update, but they were too busy, so I have an appointment for this afternoon, which is in 2 hours, so we've got plenty of time. Maybe by the time he's done we can go grab something to eat very quickly. Also, because I was in such a rush, I dressed so weirdly. So I've got this jumper on and then I've got my black t-shirt, then I put the light wash denim and I got my Chanel sneakers, and that looks so weird all together. In my head it looked good, but I looked at my reflection and I was like, what the heck, what am I wearing? Like, what am I wearing? I look ridiculous. I mean, look at this. Oh my god, this is the worst look of the day. My outfit is so ridiculous today that I didn't even bother going inside the store. I looked outside on the windows and honestly they had a lot of Alexander McQueen, and I was into this brand but many years ago. Not anymore though. And I also liked some of the new Balenciaga sneakers, like the huge sneakers. Someone is fighting outside because of the parking spaces. He's pointing at us, but I barked very well. Better than I expected. Bonjour. So you got some noodles with chicken, and I have some chicken soup with steamed rice. We're still waiting for my car, but I wanted to take a minute and appreciate this bag because it is so beautiful, and it was a Valentine's Day gift from my husband, and it's just gorgeous. I love it. And then he went on a trip to Zurich and he brought me this twilly, and there was another one. It's still in the box. I haven't used the other one yet, but I just love the color combination of this twilly with this bag. Like the color sort of matches the color of the bag, and also this orange sort of matches the camel color on the handle. It just goes really well with the whole look of the bag. The bag is so gorgeous. It is so beautiful, and I wore it so much. Can you see the little marks here? And I've seen another one on the other side, yeah, over here. But this leather is so buttery soft. It's the softest leather, and I spotted 2 little marks from the pen, but I tried to remove them and you can't really see them now, which is good.